everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I have this, the Airdog, the Airdog's air purifier for your car. So we're gonna check this thing out and see what it comes with. I guess that's a barcode for it if you're interested in that. And here's some specs if there's anything of interest in there. So there we go. So we're gonna open it up and see what it comes with here. So it comes with the user guide here, and I'll hold this up here for a second so you can see what it looks like. If you need to pause it and zoom in, maybe you can. And there. So that's what that looks like. And then we have the unit here. So this is it. It comes with nice rubbery kind of feet, so it'll stick onto the dashboard and won't slide anywhere. Comes with a USB cable. I guess if you want to hook it up to USB, maybe if you wanted to put it on your desk or something instead of in the car. Let's see. Comes with the car adapter, so we have the car adapter there with it. And then let's see, what does this say? Operation manual for straps. Oh, I guess you can strap it into the car too if you wanted to, so it stays in place. So we're gonna try it here. We've got the car adapter here. I'm not in my car, but what I have here is a car adapter thingy. I have one of these, so we'll cigarette out, I think. So we're gonna plug it in there. And plug it in here, and we'll see how easy this is to use. Okay, so it'll go in your dashboard like that, and I guess the wire comes up out front. You can see here, there's a little button. So we push it, and there we go. It says it's on speed, is just a single light, I think, right there. And then if I push it again, it looks like it flashes. Yeah. Oh yeah, so the more I push that button, it looks like it has 3 different speeds. If I push it like 3 times, it flashed 3 times. So then it's going full speed. And I can feel the air there. I mean, it doesn't smell any different than the air around here, but that's what this looks like here currently. This is gonna be good for like when I have the kids after we go work out and it's stinky in the car. I can just stick this up on the dash and get us some clean air. So very cool, and it's got the rubbery feet. I'll show you some more here. Let me just unplug it here and turn it off. I guess to turn it off, I think you just hold down the button. Yep, hold down the button and it turned off, so that's good. I'm gonna disconnect it here for a second. And let's look at the bottom here, because it looks like there's the cabinet there to open, and here's the little thing. You see that? It just slide that whole thing open, and then this opens up. And then here is the electro whatever thing that uses when it cleans. So if we just pull it out, we just clean those, the little metal things. They'll probably have all sorts of dust and crap on it. And then stick it back on in there and close it back on up, and then we're ready to go and clean the air again. So very cool. I like this. It's the Airdog air purifier. Does it have a model number? CZ10T is what it is. So definitely very cool. So I'm gonna give this thing a thumbs up. Looks pretty cool. Hopefully it's gonna get rid of the air real good. It looks like it does electronically versus just those filter kind of ones that really just filter out particles. This one here actually cleans the air versus just filtering out some of the dust. So very like it. So thumbs up from me. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks, bye.